Welcome to Mama and Sam Teen Channel.
Hello everyone. So, enjoying kids? Are you enjoying your vacation? After all, vacation are the most happiest time in kids' life. So, today, before we begin, let me tell you a little bit about ourselves. So, it's a Mama and Son team channel, as you all know. And we are Mama and Son duo. We always find fascinating technique for learning concepts. Because I believe teaching through play-way technique is the most ideal approach to instruct this youthful age bunch kids. Today, we are learning the sounds of alphabets. As you all know, kids, that every alphabet has a different sound. So, we will be learning the alphabet sound one by one. So, the first alphabet is A. So, you know what A says? Correct. It says A. So, the words are apple, and what is the another?
This is apple.
This is apple.
And this is plane.
This is aeroplane.
This is aeroplane.
It's apple and aeroplane. So, the next alphabet is B. You know what B says?
B.
Correct. It's B. B. So, B for what is this?
This is bird.
Oh, this is bird. Good. The next one.
This is boy.
Boy. And this is baby. So, all the words have starting sound B. That means it starts with the letter B. So, the next alphabet is C. The sound of C is it's C says. So, see, what is the thing?
This is
This
cat.
is cap. Okay, so cap. This is car.
And cat.
Cat. This is cat.
This is cat.
Okay.
And D.
The next alphabet is D. Now the sound of D is D.
D.
So D. Dog.
The dog.
D. Dog.
The dog.
Okay, the next one.
This is door.
This is door. Okay, wow, it's a Doraemon door. Acha, the next is D. It sounds and it is drum.
Drum.
Oh, it's again Doraemon drum. So D says D. Next is what is an? So first tell the alphabet.
E.
E. So what is the sound of E? And what is this? Can you tell?
Egg.
Egg. E says
Egg.
So it's egg. And it's
Elephant.
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 Okay. Now it's F. Now F says it's correct. It's yes. So it's fan.
Fan.
Can you show the fan? Yes, it's fan.
Fan.
And another word is
Fish.
oh, it's fish.
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 Fish. This is another fish.
This is another fish. Okay. So, hand. We can't see the fish. Bring your hand this side. Yes. Nice. G.
G.
What is the sound of G?
G. G.
G. G. Correct. Let's see the words, the objects. What is this?
Girl.
Girl. Correct. Okay, can you tell me which character is this?
Sichuka.
It's Shishuka. Okay, nice. Okay, now next word from G is
Gun.
gun. G. G. It's gun.
Gun.
Wow. Okay, the next word. Hey, it's a musical instrument. So, it's a guitar. Wow. Now it's H. What H says?
H.
H. H. Correct. The things. Show us the things of starting with H sound.
Aeroplane.
A. It's aeroplane. No, it's H for helicopter. H. Helicopter.
H. Helicopter.
Correct. And oh, what is this? This hammer.
This is
Ha,
hammer.
ha, hammer. Okay, it's so heavy now. It's hammer.
Hammer.
Both of these things starts with the sound. Ha. It's H. H. Hammer. And ha, helicopter. Now this is I. I says I. I. Say the sound.
E.
I. Okay. Now I. Insect.
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 Okay, this is insect. But
Insect.
can you tell which insect is this? Spider.
Spider.
Spider. Oh, it's very dangerous insect. Okay, but it is insect, so it starts with the sound E. E. And the next is ink pot. You know what is ink pot? We put this ink in some pens and then they starts working. The next letter is J. What is the sound J has?
J. J. J.
J. J. Okay. It's J. Juice.
J. Juice.
It's juice. J. J. Juice.
J. J. Juice.
Okay. And this is jar.
Jar.
Jar. Okay.
Jar.
Jar is a container. We can keep something in jar. J. J. J.
J. J.
Very good. And this is K. K says K says correct. And what is this? Kite.
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 And key.
Key.
It's key.
It's key.
So key and kite both are starting with the letter K.
K.
And this is L. So what L says? L says
La.
correct. L says la. Okay, so it is, what is this?
This is
This is lion. Arey baapre, this is lion.
This is lamb.
This is
Lamb.
lamb. Okay. This is lamb. Oh, it's again a Doraemon lamb. So Doraemon is a favorite cartoon, kya?
Yes.
You enjoy watching Doraemon?
Yes.
Okay. So this is lamb. And this is lion.
Lion.
This is M.
M.
And the sound of M is
Ma.
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 Ma. Right. Now, what is this? It's ma for
Mask.
mask. It's an Iron Man mask. Okay, Iron Man mask. Mask. And this
Motorbike.
is motorbike.
Motorbike.
It's motorbike.
It's motorbike.
Both the things are starting with the letter M and the sound ma. motorbike and mask. N, it's N. N says?
No, no.
N says na. Okay, so what are these? These are the
Numbers.
N. They are starting with the letter N. And the sound na, na.
Na, na. Notebook.
And what is this?
This is notebook.
This is notebook. This is also starting with the letter N. Na, na, notebook. Now O. What is the sound? O says? O.
Oh.
O.
Oh.
Okay, so O is? What is this?
Orange.
Orange. Nice. Orange.
Orange.
Okay, the next is?
Next is?
This is a bird.
This is a bird.
Okay, can you tell me which bird is this? Okay, it's okay. It's ostrich.
Ostrich.
An ostrich is the world's largest bird. Okay. O says O.
Oh. Yeah.
This is P. P. P says? P says?
Pa, pa.
P says pa, pa. Okay, so this is, what is there?
This is paper.
Paper, pa, pa,
Pa,
paper.
pa, pa, pa,
And what is
paper.
this? Oh, it's so adorable.
This is panda.
This is panda. Okay. It also starting with the letter P. Pa, pa, P.
P.
This is Q.
Q.
Qua, qua. Q says
Qua.
qua, qua. And what is this? This is quill.
This is quill.
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 And this is?
This
is
is?
a bird.
This is a bird.
Quill.
It's quill.
This is a bird. Both the
is
things are starting with the sound qua, qua. And the letter is Q.
Q.
Okay, so which letter is this? Can you tell me which letter is this?
R.
Okay, first tell the letter. Which alphabet?
R.
It's R. Okay, what is the sound of R?
R.
Ra, ra. Okay, ra, ra. It's an animal. Can you tell which animal is this?
Rhino.
It's a rhino. Right. Starting with the letter R. Rhino.
Rhino.
Okay, what is this? This is ring.
Ra.
This is ring.
R. Ring.
And this is?
And this is badminton.
Ha, this is racket. Badminton is a game. And this is called racket.
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 Now this is S. S says? Right. S says? Now what is this?
This is scooter.
Scooter. Scooter. Scooter. Scooter. Scooter.
Scooter.
Very good. Now what is this?
This is ship.
Ship. Ship. Ship. Okay, ship. Okay, the next is snail.
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 It's snail.
Snail.
T says
Ta. Ta.
ta ta. It's train.
Train.
Next is ta ta. Telephone.
Ta. Ta. Telephone. And
What is next?
Tiger.
It's tiger.
Tiger.
It's umbrella. It's umbrella. Umbrella. You watch it, okay? It's V says. V says. It's vegetables. V says. Vegetables. So, which alphabet is this? Which alphabet is this?
This is W.
W. Okay. And the sound is? Sound is V. V.
V.
V. Correct. So, W says V. V. Okay. And what is this? This is?
Wallet.
Wallet. W. Wallet.
Wallet.
And this is?
And this is?
Watch. This
Watch.
is watch. This is X. X sound. Can you tell X sound? It's X. It's X. It's X. Okay, so it is. What is this?
This is Christmas tree.
This is Xmas tree. Xmas tree.
Xmas tree.
Right. X. X says X. X. And this is Xmas tree.
Xmas
It starts with the letter X.
X.
Now it's Y. Which alphabet is this?
Yeah.
Okay, first tell the alphabet.
Y.
It's Y. And what is the sound of Y? Yeah. Correct. Yeah. It's yuck.
Yuck.
You like? It's a part of egg.
Egg.
It's the yellow part.
Of egg.
Correct. Of egg. And you know what is this? What this child is doing?
This is A.
This is ha. It's a. And this is yawning.
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 Correct. The child is doing yawning.
Yawning.
Okay, the last alphabet is Z. Z.
Z.
Okay, so what is the sound of Z? Z. Z. Correct. Z. Okay, so what is this?
This is
Zebra.
zebra.
This zebra.
This is zebra.
And this is
And this is
zero.
zero.
Both of them are starting with the sound Z. Z. Zebra and zero. So we have learned all the alphabet sound. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. It's Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so just a little exercise, a kind of game actually. So what you have to do, listen, you have to toss this dice on the alphabets. Do it slowly, huh? So, the dice will fall on any one letter and you have to pick up some things which starts with the same letter from the basket and keep it here. So, let's begin. 1, 2, 3. Toss the dice. Hey, it's G. So, find out.
G.
G. G. G. It says G. Gun? Maybe gun is there? Oh, it's a little gun. Very nice. Little gun.
Gun.
Okay, so one more time.
Fine.
Hey, it's E. E says? E says? Hey, it's elephant. Elephant. Right.
Elephant.
Put it on E. E says elephant.
Elephant.
Okay, the last one. Let's do it for one more time.
One more time.
Hey, it's N. N says?
No.
So, what is there with N? Can you find?
Mango.
Ah, it's M. Find with N.
Carrot.
Hey, N says? Oh, you're not finding
Pen.
anything with the letter N?
Pen.
Okay, leave it. Let's do it for one more time. Find out one more alphabet. Toss it for one more time. It's B. So, B says? Okay, so find a letter, a word, a thing which is starting with the letter B. Okay, so let's see the objects. We are not finding things starting with the, hey, what is this? Can you tell me?
This is pot.
This is bathtub.
Bathtub.
So it starts with the letter B. Right. B. Right. Very good. You have understood all the sounds. All the sounds you have understood. Yes? Okay. Thank you everyone for watching our videos. Please tell us if you like our videos and comment us, please. Please subscribe our channel too. Thank you.